Hello everyone, today let's learn how to see photos insights on Instagram application. First of all, you should open up the Instagram application, log into your account, and then we should change our account type. So basically in personal account you can't check insights on your posts. So what I do first is go to my profile picture at the bottom right. Then open main menu, tap on three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Proceed to settings. Then tap on account. Scroll down and tap on switch to professional account. Then tap on continue, 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 and again continue. Then you can select categories about you. Also you can enable display on profile and tap on done. Alright, we create a business or creator account. So basically we can select one of them. For example, I select creator, then tap on next and just close these options. We should tap on cross sign at the top right corner of the screen. And now if we open up any of photos, you'll be able to see under your photo at the left side view insights. So basically if you tap view insights, you can see how many likes, comments, shared to story, and some different statistic about your post. You can check. You can see here says overview accounts, reaction accounts, engines, profile activity, reaction impression. Also you can just scroll down and check all analytics about your any of post. So if you select another post, again under any of post, tap on view insights and you'll be able to see all analytics about this post on your Instagram app.
If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.